Hey guys, welcome back to another lesson. This is John from Speak English with John. And on today's everyday English lesson, we are looking at to, in order to, so as to, so that, and in order that in English. These phrases and structures are used to express purpose and answers the question why something is done. They are used to connect our actions with its objectives or purpose. Here's a lesson to help you understand the structures and use each phrase correctly when giving purpose in English. Please keep watching. Let's start with to. We use to say why we do something. I am going to Bangkok to visit my family. I went to the post office to buy some stamps. Here we simply using to express purpose, to connect our actions with its objectives or purpose, to answer the question why we do something. Why I'm going to Bangkok and why I went to the post office. I am going to Bangkok to visit my family. And I went to the post office to buy some stamps. So use to express purpose. We can also use in order to and so as to express purpose in English, to connect our actions with its objectives or purpose. In order to and so as to can be used interchangeably. I am going to Bangkok in order to visit my family. I went to the post office so as to buy some stamps. From these examples, we can simply see that we are using in order to and so as to express purpose, to connect our actions with its objectives, results, or purpose. In order to and so as to can be used interchangeably when expressing purpose. In order to and so as to are more common before stative verbs like be, have, know, appear, seem, understand, and many more. She left school early in order to be at home with the kid. It is clear from this example that in order to and so as to are more common before stative verbs. In order to be, so as to have, in order to know, so as to understand, in order to seem, so as to appear. These are all stative verbs, and like we said earlier, in order to and so as to are used before stative verbs when we are expressing purpose in English. Before a negative infinitive, we normally use so as or in order. The negatives are not to, in order not to, and so as not to. Here is an example. I called him not to congratulate him, but to invite him. I am leaving now so as not to be late. Don't say, I am leaving now not to be late, right? So it will be so as not to be late. Do not use for before the infinitive of purpose. I phoned Linda to invite her to dinner. Not, I phoned Linda for invite her to dinner. That will not be correct. And now let's take so that. This structure is also frequently used to talk about purpose. It is normally followed by modal verbs such as can or will. So that I can, so that I will. And here is an example. I am saving money so that I can buy a new car. From this example, we can clearly see that so that is followed by a modal verb, can, so that I can buy a new car. Simply put, use so that to express purpose, to connect our actions with its purpose, objectives, or results. So that I can buy a new car. Let me know in the comment section below, why are you studying English? Let's see who answers this question correctly. I will reply to every comment almost immediately. Let's go. Let's see some more examples. Why did you call him? I called him in order to, so as to invite him. Why did you send her a message? I sent her a message so as to, in order to congratulate her. You should note that the negatives are not to, in order not to, and so as not to. I sent her a message not to invite her, but to congratulate her. There are various ways to express the purpose or reason in English. You can use so that or in order that. We use in order that as a conjunction to introduce clauses of reason and explanation. We can say that it is used to explain why an action is done. Here are some points to note when using in order that to express purpose in English. In order that is a conjunction which joins two clauses. One of them expresses an action, the other expresses the purpose. In order that is used before the clause which indicates the purpose. The clause after in order that generally includes a modal verb like can, could, may, might, will, would. And here's the structure. A clause which is an action plus in order that plus a clause which expresses the purpose. Here's an example. I will leave the party early in order that I will catch the bus. Let's take a look at this sentence. I will leave the party early is a clause that introduces the action. Plus in order that plus I will catch the bus, which is a clause which introduces or expresses the purpose for me leaving the party early, right? I will leave the party early in order that I will catch the bus. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you found some value and you learned something. If you did, I'm happy. Please show me some love by hitting that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my uploads as I bring to you weekly interactive English lessons just like this one to help boost your fluency, confidence, and speaking skills. This channel is free, so it means you can just copy that link and share this video with a friend on WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I will really appreciate that because you will be promoting this channel to grow and to keep on bringing you more lessons just like this one. I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.